Cryptocurrency has been a hot topic in the last years. However, with many investors seeing the potential to make a lot of money, there's also a lot of people losing, and in this video I will outline what you need to know. So the biggest pros, of course, which a lot of people see and which actually gives a lot of fear to miss out of the profits, is the high potential for returns. And one of the biggest advantages in cryptocurrency is that you can technically, in theory, become a millionaire in a very short amount of time without doing a lot of work. Bitcoin, for example, has seen many massive returns, with some investors even having 1000% profit. So with decentralization also being there, it's also a very ethical stuff for a lot of people, because there is no government, there is no financial institution which can keep your money, your gold, or whatever you have on the back. This also means that it can be resistant to censorship. However, the blockchain still has information on it, so it's not technically free like that, but it can provide you a greater potential freedom to financial freedom. And this also means that the blockchain is very transparent. Anyone can see the details of every transaction, and this provides a level that is actually very secure, and in theory it's more secure than traditional financial systems. And also with low transaction fees over the world, you can also save money. If you're going to use an exchange, of course you're going to have to pay something, but there are no intermediaries involved if you use crypto the right way. And then we come to the downside, which is the very high level of volatility. The way that a lot of people lose their money is by making a lot of profit and not selling it, so it actually goes down and even lower than the price that you actually paid for the cryptocurrency at that particular moment. Also, with the lack of regulation, you saw what happens with FTX, with Celsius, and all these companies which actually got bankrupt, and where some people are either going to jail or never going to jail. And if you're not very technical, or if you're not willing to spend a lot of time in it, it can be very complex. Of course, with the popularity, even non-tech savvy people can get into it, but I'm in crypto since 2016 and I had to learn everything the hard way. This also means the security, it's very difficult. It is secure as long as the technology underpins them. Hackers have been able to steal a large amount of money, so what I can do is, if you want to guarantee, use a hardware wallet. And this is actually also in the link below, so you can buy that. And I have more videos how to protect yourself with hardware wallets in this video.